everyone and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do another easy Halloween design on Lucy. So we've already prepped these nails, fitted the tips, primed and dehydrated, and now we're just going to use my special mix of acrylic, which is rose glow and soft beige mixed together, equal parts. And just do the usual acrylic application. This black under Lucy's nail is off her car oil, by the way. Cannot get it out.
It's off my tyre this morning. I think it was melted tarmac, to be honest.
I don't think I'll be able to get melted tarmac out of the underside of the nail.
It wasn't going to happen.
So we're best off just covering it up, aren't we?
Yeah. How many beads do you normally use, or does it sort of vary on?
It just depends. If I could do it in one, I can do it in two, but sometimes I don't pick up a big enough bead for the first one, so I just do it in three. No rules. Cool. You can do it in 5, you can do it in 6. It's totally
so it varies,
up to you.
Doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Also depends on the size of the brush you use, and I use a size 12 usually. So I can pick fairly big beads up, but sometimes it's nice to just take your time, do it in a few. It'll always depend on how you lay that first one. If you lay that one thick enough and high enough, you'll only need 2, but
So why do you have to use like dehydrator? Like, what does that do? Does it make the acrylic stick better, or?
The dehydrator takes the moisture out of your nails, so
yeah.
It doesn't lift the acrylic, and the primer acts like a double-sided sticky tape.
Right, cool.
So
it's quite important then.
very important, yeah. The primer levels out the pH balance and keeps the acrylic adhered to the nails.
Oh, that's cool.
So on a low speed we'll use our infill drill bit and just go around the cuticle area. Wipe over with some gel res. You have to hide your tire oil under the design. So we're going to use Blazed Orange Gel colour. That's orange as hell, isn't it? Our 0003 brush. And we're just going to do a simple design. We're going to do pumpkin. We're going to use the black now, just to put a bit more detail on this pumpkin. Give him a hat.
He's got a hat.
He's got a hat.
Cute.
Finish these with some gel top coat now. Very easy, salon friendly design. Finish these off with some cuticle oil.
Getting like Corpse Bride vibes. Because of the way it looks like stitches.
Yeah.
Give them a. Yeah.
Very nice.
Very simple, very Halloweeny.
Pretty cool. So nice. Thank you so much.
No problem. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other Halloween ideas or any other occasion ideas you'd like to see, drop a comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.